If Bandlab does not work for you, you can use Audacity instead. Go to audacityteam.org/download and choose your operating system. Choose the first installation option, and then again choose the first option. This will download the installer for you, and once it's downloaded, just go through the steps as prompted to install the program. Once Audacity is installed, open the program and click OK. Audacity works very similarly to Bandlab. To start recording, just press the red recording button and record your sound. Test, 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 and then click the black square to stop. To record your next track, first make sure that the cursor is all the way at the beginning again, by pressing the left arrow up here, or by clicking where you want the cursor to go. Now, to record the next track, press the Shift button on your keyboard, and then click the Record button, and it will start to record a second track below, starting where your cursor is located. Test, and record your sound. Test, 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 and then click the black square. And now you'll have another recording underneath your first one. Once you have recorded all of your tracks, press File, Export, and choose to export as MP3 to save your audio as an audio file. Press OK until your audio is exported as an MP3.